Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT to make some of your YouTube videos. And once again, welcome to my channel. Please, if you find this video interesting, please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I know most of you are looking for you want to create a video of let me say how to do something now, and you need the video to be to be perfect. Your script should be written accordingly. It should be nice for you to get more engagement and viewers. So this is what you are going to do. You go to ChatGPT. This is an AI tool that is free that can help you do a lot of things. Generate pictures, do everything, generate script, do everything. So today, let me say I want to tell ChatGPT I want to create a video about how to trade forex. So this is what we are going to do. We'll meet ChatGPT. How you tell him give me a script, does anything, just use your brain work. Everything is brain work. Just type it. On how to create, you just be typing it on how to trade forex. Sorry. And now you have sent in the code. See it here. Look at the script. It's going to give me a script, a guide, a guide on how to create the video. You see, first you see the intro, music, on screen, channel, all this kind of things. See part one, you see what is going to tell you what to say. I'm breaking down. It's going to tell you all those things. What is forex? It's going to tell you everything about forex. So these are everything you need to do. So in case you want to generate your thumbnails, if you want it to even generate audio yourself, can help you generate your audio. So let's tell it to create a thumbnail for us. Create a thumbnail for the YouTube video. So as you can see, it's already creating a thumbnail for the YouTube video. Anything you want it to put in the thumbnail, it can help you put it. If you want a picture, and it can help you put it, but I just write it straight to the point. So it's going to be progressing, because right now a lot of people are generating images, so you have to wait. As you can see, the image is almost ready. We are waiting for the image. So anytime you want to just create a video, no need of standing let me say I want to create a video, I don't have all this stuff, all this kind of thing, I don't know what to say. Just go to ChatGPT can help you. This is an AI tool that is free. Only if you want to use some of the premium listing, and some of the premium listing are not even that much but it's free. As you can see, it's creating the image. It normally takes some time, so we have to wait. So now we can see our image is created. This is the image. So it's loading. So if you want to save it, you see this save button here, and you wait for it to upload first before you save it. Yes, you wait for it first before you upload it. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video up to this point. So if you find the video more interesting, please kindly like and drop a nice comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. Thank you. Thank you.